Dr. Sonia Tekchandani, consulting dermatologist at Dentist Skin International, Mumbai, Dubai and Pune. I am your skincare expert for today and I will be talking on pre-bridal skin treatments and peels we offer at the clinic. The most popular pre-bridal facial which we have are called as hydrofacials, the aqua oxy peels and mesoporation. These are wonderful treatments which give you instant nourishment, exfoliate your skin gently and give you an instant glow in your skin with no downtime. You can apply a sunscreen, go anywhere you like, continue your course. These are specially meant for dry and dehydrated skin and perfect for winter. The peels we offer are concern oriented. The first and foremost and the most common is acne. We have acne peels, we have pigment reduction peels and we have anti-aging peels. The pigment reduction peels are very specific. Thanks to technology and science, we have even peels that are done once a year with a minimal maintenance at home. I'm going to elaborate on acne treatments for the brides to be. Remember, acne doesn't go overnight. You have to work on your acne minimum 3 to 6 months. Start with a very basic consultation with your dermatologist and ask her and discuss your concerns with your dermatologist. Now, acne, is peels which are natural peels which contain glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Salicylic peels are great on oily skin. They're very good for open pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and they also have antiseptic effect on the skin. Couple of sessions of acne peels will improve your acne over a period of 2 to 3 months. It's very important not to put acne treatments by your side while you're undergoing a treatment. Now, it's also important to treat the sequelae of acne, that is post-acne pigmentation and scars. That's what bothers the bride the most. For post-acne pigmentation, we have sequential peels which work the best. A couple of sessions and your skin is flawless. For the acne scars, one has to undergo special treatments like PRP with microneedling or PRP with fractional lasers. These are done once a month, once in 6 weeks. It takes a couple of sessions to improve the scars. So it's very important that you visit your doctor well in advance so that you get a flawless skin for the big day. Remember, to be brides, do not pick your acne. Do not squeeze your acne. It's also very important to do some stress relieving therapies for acne. There's a great correlation between stress and acne. Everybody knows before the wedding there's a lot of stress. So it's very important to do some relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation along with your treatments. The most other important thing is watch your diet. What is most important in your diet is chocolates and processed dairy. All these can aggravate acne, especially if you have some underlying hormonal issues like a PCOS. The most trending therapies focuses on 2 things. 1 is a clear, flawless skin, and 2 is facial contouring. We talked a lot about pre-bridal facials and peels. Let's talk about facial contouring, which is as important as having a flawless skin. As you know, nowadays the aspiring brides are all above the age of 30. So they start seeing some kind of sagging on the skin, a few lines, wrinkles. So the most facial contouring can be achieved with a very simple radio frequency device. It gives you wonderful tightening of the skin, improves your puffy eyes, fine lines and wrinkles. Along with that, a little bit of cheek augmentation with a filler or a lip pop is all that makes a difference. A little bit of botulinum toxin in her masseter gives her a heart-shaped face. The other most trending therapy is, of course, laser hair removal. Everybody knows about it. But what you have to know is at least 6 to 8 months prior to your wedding. Laser hair reduction takes a couple of sessions. A single session may give you a reduction of anywhere from 10 to 30%. So it's to summarize some of the most trending therapies. We have the vampire facials, the glutathione peels and facials, we have the pre-bridal skin glow peels, and we have the medifacials. And not to forget the little botulinum toxin for your underarms to prevent sweating and give you that me on Instagram. Do not forget, internal glow is as important as the external glow. So please hydrate your skin, drink lots of water, eat lots of green vegetables and fruits and salads. Use some grandma's recipes from the kitchen. You have honey, you have the avocados, you have the fresh fruits, and you have yogurt. Yogurt has lactic acid which nourishes your skin, hydrates your skin and also makes it lighter. So make some decoctions from your kitchen and apply on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes and see the difference. Thank you.